All right, guys, so today we are going to continue with our IELTS grade assessment. What you're going to do first is you're going to go to your bookmarks and open up your IELTS student webpage and log in. This is the information that we bookmarked in class earlier this week. Your organization is Bloomington Public Schools, and then your username and passwords are the ones that I emailed to you. All right, so what we're going to do down here is we are going to click on the assignment page. I have it circled down here. Click on the assignments, and that'll take us to this page. These are your assignments. You can see that the red circle with a 1 in it means you have one assignment, and that assignment is to do this assessment, this beginning of the year assessment. So click on the grade level D, beginning of the year assessment. All right, so on Monday we did the vocabulary assessment. Today we're going to start working on the sentence comprehension. All right, so when you are working in these tests, if you want to go from one test to another, you need to use these tabs right here at the top. Okay, and we are going to be working in the listening comprehension one today. So if you're still in vocab, click on the listening comprehension. One thing you want to be careful about is when you're taking this test, you do not want to hit submit yet. Once you hit submit, your test is submitted for grading. We don't want that yet because you're not finished. So if you do accidentally hit submit, you can hit cancel. It'll take you back to where you were. All right, so today, the sentence comprehension. What you're going to do is you are going to answer 19 questions. You're going to fill in the blank of each sentence using the word that makes the most sense. Use the tabs on top of your screen to select the sentence comprehension test. Make sure that you watch the example to show how to complete it.